we're looking at a 1939 Chevy Truck. This truck's a daily driver with a small cab. It has a metal body and fiberglass fenders. It has a wood floor, chrome headlights, LED tail light, 383 Chevy engine with automatic transmission, air, heat, and radio. Power steering, Grant steering wheel. The speedometer is not working. Electric wipers, electric windows, tinted glass. Independent front suspension, 10-bolt rear end, Prager wheels with add-on spinners, 14-inch front tires, 15-inch rear tires. The color is dark cherry metallic with dark interior. Come look and drive it home for $26,500. The owner is James Gordon, Oakdale, Louisiana, 318-335-3123.